If you've taken one of my courses before, you can skip this lecture. For the rest of you, let's chat. All of my courses are taught with a single goal in mind. Give people the skills they need so they can command a higher salary in the job market. One of the many things that sets my courses apart from others is all the information I'm teaching you comes directly from the real world. In those cases where I'm teaching theory, I will explicitly tell you that I don't have enterprise expertise with the particular topic. That is going to be rare. The scenario here is usually, I need to impart some information that is necessary for training, but you'll never see it in the real world. A good example of this is seen in my courses on Azure or AWS. I'm only going to teach what you need to get through my classes. I won't be teaching you how to be a cloud engineer. Everything else is gleaned from 18 years of building data solutions in organizations of all kinds. So that's the biggest difference between my class and every other class on this platform. You're not going to find this information in a book, unless I write the book. It's all coming straight from my brain to yours. Because I have mastered a handful of very simple concepts, I've been able to build a rather comfortable lifestyle for myself. I mostly work from home, and yeah, it is as pleasant as it sounds. I roll out of bed in the morning, and instead of spending time getting dressed for work, I'll just stay in my pajamas. I don't waste time with commuting, and often the resources I have in my office far exceed what I might get at a client site. I do have some clients that insist I be on site, and that's fine. However, at any given day, working from home has always been an option. To be honest, working from home is my personal choice. Technically speaking, I don't even have to be actually at home. As a tech professional, I have the privilege of having the ability to work anywhere I please without having to show up to an office every day. All I need is a laptop and an internet connection, and I'm good to go. This goes beyond just going down to a coffee shop to work there. I have an acquaintance that is an IT professional. He travels all over the world, not for work, but because he wants to. He'll pick some country and just go live there and experience the culture and, oh, by the way, he'll do some client work for someone back in the States to keep his lifestyle going. So here he is, commanding U.S. job market consulting fees living in places where rent is dirt cheap. And he's not alone. There is an entire global community of freelancers that travel the world while working disconnected from any office. Whether you want to see the world, or if you just want to stay home with the kids, or maybe you just want to make more money, you can do that with the information in this course. I'm living proof. I've made about $500,000 over the space of 5 years, with a good fraction of that coming in 1 year alone. That doesn't sound that impressive until you learn that I really only work about 9 months out of the year on average. I have good years and bad years, but to be honest, my bad years are more the result of my own dumb decisions. I won't be teaching any courses about how to be a freelancer because, frankly, even I haven't figured that out yet. That said, the freedom and independence I've built for myself far outweighs any discomfort I've experienced over the years on my chosen career path. I'm not saying learning how to run data will let you become a successful freelancer, or even that you should become a freelancer. Spoiler alert, you probably shouldn't. I'm not saying you'll become financially well off helping companies build databases, but I am saying that having these skills might give you some lifestyle options that you may not have had before. Let's talk about what you're going to learn in this class.